What do I need to know if I've just been in an accident? Well, the first thing, which most of you probably know, is safety. Many people don't know that after an accident, you not only are allowed to, but you are required to move your cars out of the lanes of travel, especially if there is a danger, a risk of further accidents happening. Be sure that the occupants in your vehicle, including yourself, are also attended to. So if there's any risk of further harm happening, you might need to move your cars a whole lot quicker. But definitely you are permitted to move your cars out of the lanes of travel if there's any risk of further harm and danger. If it's a very quiet street and there's very little traffic, it's a good idea, if you could do it safely, to have pictures taken of the vehicles after the accident in order to be sure there's no argument about where did the vehicles end up after the impact, especially if you think there's going to be an argument about who was at fault. These pictures can be very useful. Once you've moved the vehicles or taken the pictures and moved the vehicles, you want to be sure that any medical attention, if it's needed, is called for. Call 911 for the police, call 911 for an ambulance and medical attention. After that, you're going to want to be sure you are contacting sharing information with the other drivers. If you've contacted 911 in case you need an ambulance and you've contacted the police, certainly you need to behave yourselves like gentlemen and ladies, because tensions will run high after an accident. If the other driver's not being well behaved, well, you might need to sit in your car, you might need to lock your windows, but hopefully people will behave themselves even though it's an unfortunate situation.